Using this machine is fairly simple. All you have to do is, this is your power on button, grinding wheel on, this is your hydraulic on, coolant, table in and out, automatic and manual, automatic. In here you got your types of programs you can use: step cross, crisscross, and plunge. Here will be the information you would put in. Now let's see the machine running. Turn the hydraulic, make sure the levers are off, gradually give it movement. That's pretty much it. Then what you want to do is gradually start coming down, but for that you will need to have your machine shut off on the table. Stop the table and just wrap it down